Hi friends, do you want to improve your English? And do you want to speak in English? If you want to improve your English, then in this video, I am going to tell you how to improve your English. Hi friends, I am Babita Prajapati. You are watching my channel Learn English with Babita. Friends, in this video, I will tell you 4 tips for improve your English, by which you can improve your English. So friends, without any delay, now let's move on to the tips. Friends, my first tip is listening. Yes friends. Friends, listening is very important to learn a language. So friends, if you want to improve your English, then you have to listen every single day. Friends, I will tell you, if you listen every single day, then it will help you a lot. And friends, at the time, you will understand a lot in English, which is very important for you. And friends, if you listen every single day, then you can improve your English. Friends, you can listen anything. For example, English news, English podcasts, English stories, and also English songs, which is very helpful for you. So friends, you should try to listen every single day. So now let's move on to the next tip. My next tip is guys, speaking. Yes friends. You know friends, speaking is most important in this language. So friends, you have to speak every day. Friends, if you really want to improve your English, then you should try to speak as much as possible. Because friends, without speaking, it is not possible for you that you will improve your English. Guys, I know that it is very difficult for a beginner. But even then, friends, even then, you have to speak in English. Friends, you can start your speaking journey with very simple and short sentences, which is very easy for you. Guys, tell me one thing. If a person wants to learn to swim, then how is this possible for that person can learn swimming without going into the water? Never friends. That person can never learn unless he goes into the water. So friends, you have to do the same thing here too. Therefore, I am saying, if you really want to improve your English, then you have to speak in English. So now let's move on to the next tip. My next tip is guys, reading. Yes friends. Friends, reading is as important as listening and speaking. Friends, I will tell you, you have to just pick an English book and start read it out loud. Friends, if you read out loud, then you can improve your fluency and you can improve your English as well, which is very helpful for you. And friends, if you read every single day, then you will find lots of vocabs, you will find lots of sentence structures, and you will find lots of English content as well. So friends, if you read every day, then it will help you a lot and you are going to improve your English. So friends, now let's move on to the next tip. My next tip is guys, writing. Yes friends, writing is as important as listening, speaking and reading. Friends, you have to just pick any one word in your mind and you have to write in your diary, in your notebook about that word. Friends, writing is very helpful for you. If you write 1 or 2 pages in a day, then it will help you a lot. Guys, I'm not saying you to write more, but friends, you have to write at least 1 or 2 pages in a day. It will help you a lot. Guys, you can take any one word in your mind. For example, father, mother, home, environment, any word. And after that, you have to write in your diary, in your notebook. Friends, if you are watching my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Friends, at lastly, I would like to tell you something. If you do your work with consistency, so friends, then no one can stop you. Definitely, you can achieve your goal, whatever you want to do in your life. Friends, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.